In this guide, we are taking a look at the latest update, iOS 26.4.1, which has just been released to the public for all supported iPhones around the world. If you want to install it, launch Settings, go to General, click on Software Update, click on Update Now and go through the process. Unlike major updates, this version focuses mostly on bug fixes and system improvements rather than new features. One of the main fixes addresses an iCloud syncing issue that previously caused problems with Apple's password syncing between devices. Users also reported improvements when clearing notifications, which now disappear instantly instead of requiring multiple taps. While some smaller issues remain, such as occasional problems with type-to-save suggestions, overall performance appears smooth and stable across devices. Early testing shows the system running fluidly even on older iPhones with good thermals and stable benchmark performance. Battery life may also improve for users who experience issues in earlier versions, though it can take a few days for the system to fully optimize after installing the update. In terms of storage, the system size remains fairly normal, with iOS using around 14 GB plus additional space for features like Apple Intelligence depending on usage. Overall, if you are currently running iOS 26.4, it's highly recommended to install iOS 26.4.1 since it improves stability, fixes bugs, and may enhance performance and battery behavior over time. And that's it. If you found this video useful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.